Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sachin Malayala. So many students have a dream to study abroad or get their graduation from abroad universities like that. But due to some financial issues or visa issues, like many students won't able to get into that. So okay guys, in this particular video, I'm going to talk about study abroad program, that is ICS Manipal University. So if you are really interested to study your get your graduation certificate from abroad universities, you can use the link in the description and apply now, register now, paying the fees. So the eligibility will be purely if you pass 10 plus 2, and you should be if you pass, you should pass 10th, and coming to 10 plus 2, you should pass with 60% aggregate in PCM or any other optional subject. Maths and physics and English are compulsory. So you have to at least have 60%. You are eligible for this program. So let us move on to the main topic of the video, where I can give you much more details about this particular program. So let's go. So now why you have to choose Manipal? Institute of Eminence status accorded by MHRD, Government of India, #1 private university in India, and you can see on the right Manipal in numbers, 350 plus courses across 31 disciplines, 1.7 lakhs plus network of distinguished alumni. In that, well-known alumni are Satya Nadella, Rajiv Suri, Vikas Khanna, Ishita Malviya. And International Engineering Transfer Program by ICAS Manipal. Since 1994, this particular international program is been there. It's almost 25 years now. So what is an engineering transfer program? So like credit transfer. So if you at all if you want to almost around 30 to 40% of your budget goes down if you choose this particular program. So you will be studying X years in this particular India and Y years abroad. Out of 4 years, that will be almost equal to 4 years. So it will be depending upon 1 plus 3 and 2 plus 2. So mostly aeronautical and aviation is 1 plus 3. All other CSE, data analytics, artificial intelligence, mechatronics, mechanically, all comes under 2 plus 2 program. 2 years in India, 2 years in abroad. So this is how the thing, and you will be getting a certificate from University B. I mean the university which you are studying in abroad. And about the international program, so this is about 100 plus universities have tie up with Manipal, and 2500 plus students graduated, and the students complete first 2 years at MAHE and India, and the following 2 years will be in foreign university abroad, and you will be getting a chance of doing the job in foreign itself. And this is the advantage: 25 successful years of operation. So cost saving up to 40%. Over 2,000 students graduated in international universities. Average salary you will get USD 50,000 to 85,000 US dollars per annum. So you can multiply that with 75 and you can check out. And engineering stream flexibility, 2 years of academic grooming. 100 plus universities accept ICAS credits. I mean ICAS score they will accept to take into admission. So and 38 international universities partners and international placement opportunities. And now, so you can choose from these particular programs: aviation, aeronautical, computer science, AIML, data analytics, mechanical and mechatronics. So you can see this is about these are the universities in USA and Australia, UK and Canada, Ireland, Malaysia, Netherlands, Slovenia, Dubai, France. So you can once again stop here and you can check all the universities which accept is mentioned there. And visa or financial issues after secondary, if you tell you get any visa or financial issues after your second year, no problem. So still you will get international graduation certificate from Manipal Higher Education, Academy of Higher Education, Dubai campus, and Manipal Malaysia campus. So there won't be any issue in that. And this is about press and media coverage. Now let me directly go to FAQs. So is there certainty that I will get into, so whether I will get good university or not? So if at all you maintain good CGPA and if at all you don't have any backlogs, so you will be having a chance of getting into good universities. And next, so these are for some few students who got into that esteemed universities, abroad universities. So this question also may arise to some people, like what degree will I receive upon from which university? So 4 degrees, 4-year engineering degree you will be getting that. And thing is, wherever you study that abroad, so that university abroad certificate will be given to you, not the Manipal certificate. Okay. So can I work abroad after completion of my engineering? Yes, all work options available for international students also apply to transfer students. USA 3 years, which is optional, and Australia and Canada is 2 years and 3 years respectively. And can I stay back in India if I don't want to go abroad after 2 years? No, you can't do that for a 4 years engineering program. Only yes, so if at all situation is like that, if you can't go out of India after 2 years, Like if at all seats available in domestic Manipal campus, like Manipal main campus, Jaipur campus, Sikkim campus, if at all seats available in that, you can stay back in India. If not, you have to surely go to abroad. If at all any visa or financial issues, you can choose Dubai or Malaysia campus. Yes, for a three-year BSc program, you can stay back. And for BTech program, you can't do that. And what will happen if you have any unforeseen financial or visa issues after 2 years? You can continue your third and fourth year in MAHE Dubai campus. Okay. So what if I have backlogs at the end of 2 years? If at all you have backlogs, not recommended. So transfer not possible. So you have to clear those backlogs, then get into either Dubai or Malaysia or else in the like our domestic campuses. You have to clear the backlogs to either go to third year. So what are the application deadlines? So you can apply it the earliest to secure admission. So the link for this particular application is in the description. You can use that particular link and you can register now. So this particular ICA students will be having separate curriculum and they will be having separate classrooms and everything will be different. And program eligibility. So pass, like overall eligible is 10+2. You should pass or equivalent examination. Minimum 60% aggregate or C grade in English, physics, mathematics with chemistry or biology or computer science or biotechnology or electronics as optional subjects at the 12th, 10th, 11th and 12th standard. Students from non-English medium of instruction are eligible to apply only if they obtain a score of 90 in the TOEFL exam. So this is about fee structure. So if for first year and second year, 4,65,000, 4,35,000, and the living cost will be like hostels and every other things. So 1,50,000 to 2 lakhs. So you can take 2 lakhs. So you can say 6.65 here and 6.35 here. And abroad, so this is about approx 20,000 to 50,000 depends on the destination university. And the same like third year and fourth year also the same. So and application procedure, so you have to log on to, so I will be leaving the link in the description. You can open that, just click on register now and fill up the details in the online application form, pay the application fee, and that's it. So you will be like registered there. So that's it guys. I hope you got a very good idea about what exactly this Manipal study abroad program. So if you are really interested to like study in abroad and get your graduation certificate from abroad, you can choose this particular way. Like if at all you can extend your budget a little more. So and ultimately you'll also save up to 40% because you are saving 2 years of like you are studying 2 years in India itself. So that is where the cost will come down. So when it compared to if you studied those 2 years in abroad also. So finally, so that's about the video. If you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.